Let's go. That is it. Hey. That is it. You know the tingle. Woo! That is it.
One line.
One line. Six of she then.
Last night, every girl think time.
Yeah.
None of them no lose.
None of them no lose.
All of them want juice.
She better hold you right, squeeze me tight, because tonight I feel your night. See it there? You get the line now, right?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yeah, you don't know what he's saying.
What he said?
He's telling you one trolley.
That was he doing?
It's like when you go to public transport and they say, like they want to load people in.
Oh, he said, wanna move.
Yes, as we say, one trolley.
Oh, that's what you said?
Yeah, that's what I taught him.
Oh.
One trolley.
Where are you coming from?
I went to Crete. I don't even know where we went.
Where you went? Downtown? Where you went? Down?
We went, I got the snack. What's the name of the snack?
Hey, you don't know what you get?
I'm trying to...
Hey,
Tasty.
Oh, patty.
Oh, patty.
Oh, yes, there's evidence right here. Right there. Oh, you got evidence, patty. Patty.
Yeah, I went and got patty. And I'm taking some of this and it was
tropical.
So nice. You're just coming now?
Yeah.
So good at keeping time, eh?
Right?
Very good.
Right on time, though.
Right on time.
I'm really right. Yes, guys. Well. So, you know, we're back here today in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
We got the one and only Shauna.
Yeah, you already know. If you don't know now, you know the
tingle. Hey. If you don't know now, you know the tingle. We're here in Trenchtown. Whoa. Hello, Richie B, not come yet? Richie B. Yeah.
Afternoon there.
Him not come yet?
Should be, I test the cinnamon go so no, I'm see him come back.
Richie B, a move like Scratchy B.
Yeah, she's not here.
Wow, chef.
A long time from 2008 that you know.
So this can't keep him for 2 months.
No, I get the real image.
Let me get that surname though.
Really, man. Good part of walk.
Yo.
I call him.
Oh yes, I'm about to go. Oh yeah, don't dash it.
No, man, I put him. I go back my ID, man.
Yeah. Put everything you want. But I go put them in your house when you look at
Alright then, well guys, well. So you know we're gonna step out. Hey, the sun is really nice. It's not hot, it's nice. It's really nice. And we have Esther aka Bumming Ball. They wanna know why. And we got Sean, our bombastic.
Yeah.
You know, she got that bombastic, elephantastic.
Mr. Bombastic.
Elephant. Hey, touching on the body, call me Mr. Who.
Is that Jamaican? The music?
Yeah.
Elephant Man?
It wasn't Elephant Man. Shaggy. It's Shaggy. Shaggy, Jamaican.
How about Elephant Man?
Yeah, Jamaican.
Where is he now? What is this? Fish?
Oh, it's this. Come away from it. Come. The rubbish bin. It's the rubbish bin. Come. Let's go over here. Elephant Man is somewhere uptown.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's an uptown guy.
Oh, guy.
Well, he's from Seaview. Originally, he's from Seaview. You know, but he moved uptown. So you know, he make a bit of money. Yeah, through music, you know, and just take away himself and us. Yes, you know, when you're making money, the dream is to come out the ghetto.
Yeah,
not to stay in there. You know, so whenever you're born and grow in the ghetto, the dream is to come out.
Yeah.
Right? That is the hustle, to come out. So you can always come and give back, not to stay here, right?
Yeah.
Would you want to live in the ghetto for the rest of your life?
No.
Exactly, but ghetto is always home.
Yeah, it's always home, but
always
when you make the money, you try and get a better life.
Yes, and then you can come back if you want and try to help someone out as well, you know? Inspire them to take on the road. So, have you ever tried Guinea before?
Which one is this?
Guinea.
Guinea?
Yeah. Well, it's not. It's like a little plum with seed inside it, but there's none on it now. It's sweet. It's called Guinea. Have you have Guinea in your country?
No. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying also to feel like what exactly is it?
Yeah,
like,
but
is it a fruit?
Yeah, it's a fruit, but there's none on it now, so you won't get to see any.
Okay, the season is not yet.
Yeah, season is not yet. It's also the Guinea as well. He's the taxi man.
Okay, I thought you know him.
Yeah, I know him.
You know him?
Yeah. We know everyone. This is Trenchtown. I even know the dog.
Trenchtown.
Welcome to Trenchtown.
There's you and this here. Who are this?
So, this is the man that used to own this. He died now. His name is Paglin. And this is Fire. And this is Ken Boots.
Okay.
You know, and this is his wife.
Whose wife?
This same man.
Okay.
From the UK. So his wife is from the UK. You know, but so he passed away now. This was his shop.
And his wife is still alive?
Well, I don't know because they don't been together for like how long now, you know, because they've been here and everything, like they move on. So it's all changes, you know.
They have kids, no?
Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. We have the Empress.
She's looking really good.
Yes. Teresa, come here, walk.
Thank you.
So we're gonna walk and come back so we can.
I'm copying him when I dress white.
Why? No, she said that herself because I'm always wearing white. But through my mind told me she's gonna wear white today. I change it. So today we don't color match, right?
Yeah.
Hey, so we have the Mongo.
You're doing good. Welcome back to Trenchtown, my favorite place in Jamaica. When it comes to Kingston. Kingston is what parish?
Kingston.
Kingston is Kingston.
Kingston is Kingston. Kingston is the city. No. Mango. Maembe.
Yeah.
Do you want Maembe?
So yeah, but maybe when we are coming back. Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, please subscribe. Let's get Kino to a half a million. Wow. So I was watching the road. Anyway guys, so please be sure to subscribe. Give the video a like, leave a comment. Let us know what you think about today's video. Road to 100K. We need the silver button. Yeah, we recently celebrated her silver button.
Oh yeah.
Right. You saw it when I was at home with my mom.
So I'm next. I'm next.
Hey, the music. Hey. They saw another tingle.
Teacher.
Come. Mom, show me. This is Jamaica. She gonna dance with you. Hey. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let's go.
That is it. That is it. You know the tingle. Woo! That is it. Jamaica.
Oh my God.
I'll come for the lessons as well too. Sean, you have to teach me the tingle.
She said, hold your knee. I'm like, okay.
Hold your knee.
I'm like, what should I
Kina, you soon know what I'm going.
I know what going. Wow, chef, you know what
Who shaved you?
We have Michael Jordan here.
Who shaved? You just shaved?
Yeah, man, just shine it off, you know. Whoa, you know. Yeah, man, that's what I said.
Woo!
Yeah.
Wow,
Shirt
style.
around the road, and sew some shirt, man.
That is it.
Yeah.
Why you didn't shave also here?
Oh, I mean, I have to do them party, you know. Man, can't shave my chest, you know. I have to shave my one chest, man, you know.
All right then.
I say worship is going on the ship this Friday.
Yeah.
Line up on the, I got something different, man.
That is it.
I got some brown cream, I go.
Cleaning up. The wife is landing from US today, from foreign.
No.
Friday she come and find you clean.
Whoa.
In Ochi.
In Ochi.
Yeah, what is coming in Ochi?
That
I
is
this
it.
time in a normal day, you know.
I'm telling you.
I say,
They still know the
I
tingle.
have a swimming suit, I go down there too, you know. Swimming suit. Yeah, man. Okay, I've only for things, I'm going to go down when I go see the, you're not going to see the settings.
All right, I
man,
soon know the tingle. Hey, Jamaica is so lively. I'm telling you, hold on, hold on. Hold the knee. Esther, you don't know how to hold the knee? Esther doesn't know how to hold the knee. Not like this, like this. Esther cannot hold the knee.
No way.
No way. Esther, you can do it. Do it. Do it. Ah, no. Like this.
Hey, D, you have to go all the knee. All the knee, D, all the knee. Let's go. Go, D. Go, D. Whoa. All the knee, D, all the knee. All the.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
No, that's not me yet.
Yeah. Come on, D. We know you got it. We know you got it.
Jamaica. Of course, it's always there. Keep this because when you go to the museum, I think it's not that free to get. Yeah, maybe we'll pass right there soon. Honestly, guys, back home we know how to hold the knee. When I was a small little girl in high school, we used to hold it, and the desks used to be the drums and everything. And I used to be like, and you would hold the knee. Yeah,
hold
and I'm
the knee.
telling them, guys, support me. I want to go and hold the knee in Jamaica, like a joke. I told you the story. Yeah, I used to tell people like,
Yeah. Yeah. So all the knee again properly. Hold it properly, D. Come on.
Come to the yard.
Dun, 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 dun.
you know?
Oh yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Twerk, twerk.
So where are we going right now?
We're gonna bring Shannon to meet the Mandingo.
The Mandingo?
Yeah. We're gonna take her to the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden.
Why
But
we didn't pass in the inner city deep in?
when we're coming back, we're gonna go through it.
Oh.
Just make this walk. I'll come back around, guys. So, as you see, I have a lot to deal with.
Yeah, and lots of
Sean, Awa,
and there's always
and D, there's something else.
always.
They are something else, guys, you know. Hey, so remember, guys, if you're watching, remember to put the thumbs up. Remember, guys, to put the thumbs up if you're watching. If you reach this far and you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Put the thumbs up.
Thank you, Esther.
Right, put the thumbs up. Put the thumbs up if you're watching. I'm there.
Check it out. Trenchtown.
There's your church, D.
Alright then.
There's your church, 7th day.
7th day Adventist. Alright, guys, we worship. Yeah, I'm on 7th day.
Mm-hmm.
No, you've been here before. No? No. Yeah, but I belong here. So there's one of the things I cannot really tell you every day. I love how the roads they have nice roads. I can wear my shoes in peace.
No dirt.
No dirt.
No dirt.
You see? The dirt is in bags.
Yeah. No dirt.
So good. It's something very admirable.
These are the legends, Shana, of this street. Each street have legends.
Bob Marley belongs to which street?
First Street.
First Street.
Yes. You know that song, Alton Ellis? I'm still in love.
The sun
With you, girl.
Yeah, see?
The sun is here actually.
Yeah. So this is the street you're on. Yeah.
Radio.
You girl.
That is
Wow.
So you're on the legend street himself.
even meets the sun.
Exactly.
Wow. Right here. That's why normally top me. I don't just stay somewhere just like that. There must be something unique.
Peer
the
legends
place.
were born here.
Yeah.
Pure legend. Yeah. So later on, pass on in life, the generation come and say, "Oh, Kino Dream Team," you know, we build this. Oh no, man, come. Yes. Look at this, creative.
Greetings. Good. Alright. We just said alright, baby.
So Shara, we're gonna take you back with some Aki.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give you the seed.
But she even may know how to climb. When I first came to Jamaica, I climbed to the tree to get Aki. So this is the main Jamaican tree.
It's a fruit as well.
Yeah.
But
But
it-
I showed you yesterday at the market. It's called
Shana is yawning. What's going?
eat something.
Shana, what's going on? You're yawning.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Not easy.
I want to drink water.
Let's get to
I
water
want
then.
water.
Yeah, water.
Water.
Get your water.
Oh, I saw on your Instagram. I was really surprised. Like,
I'll get you water at the shop down there.
some mangoes here as well.
These are East Indians.
Hey, they're so big. Oh Lord. Jamaica will never miss to surprise me. Look at this. Imagine I think there are no babies and nobody looking. Now this is new. Back home, it's the
Ready.
It's ready.
You burn it
long
back.
time.
As it tries to burn you burn it with salt.
Actually, we eat the small
Hey,
one.
guys.
Yeah.
You missed that part. You should have seen the way she just grab it off the tree. I'm saying it's not ready. She's like, oh.
This is more
And she
than
just grab it.
Actually, this is really big and more than red. We eat the small ones. You know, Sean, you know
I don't know the tingo, this
like
one.
the small little ones.
Alright, listen, we're gonna see that today.
It's ready.
When you reach back, you make it, eat it with salt. We're gonna know the thing go. Whoa, you know?
She can burn it back with salt.
Yeah, she's gonna burn it back with salt.
Burn and show it to the tingo.
The worship returns. Chelsea, you know?
Manchester United are back tomorrow, you know.
You know the thing, problem.
Manchester
Trouble.
United tomorrow, you know.
Trouble.
Lose against Red, you know.
Say no.
Gunners are going down something there right now.
Why score?
One love them a lead, you know.
Say no the thing go tomorrow. There's only one team out in the red out. One of the Malis them they here, you know. Eh? Yeah, so and I think I see that.
She take over.
Yeah. Oh, Rosa! Alright, see, it's Alton Ellis' son. Alton Ellis.
Alton Ellis.
Son, his son.
Okay, the musician.
Yeah.
Wow.
And he's also famous as well too.
Wow.
Famous YouTuber. He's a comedian. Also a singer. So yeah. Yeah, catch through the holiday. So this is Sean Arwa from Kenya.
Yeah.
Also UK. Happy Easter. So this is Alton Ellis' son.
Okay.
The singer's son. He's also a singer as well, slash.
Yeah, the song that you love, the dad.
Yeah.
Wow.
My father song.
Yeah. But he's also an international comedian as well. So he's also a singer,
Right now.
international singer.
Just get one song.
No right here now.
All right, you know.
One line.
One line. One line.
Yeah.
Chorus.
One line.
One line. 6 of she then.
Last night, every girl think time.
Yeah.
None of them no lose.
None of them no lose.
All of them want juice.
She better hold you right, squeeze me tight, because tonight I feel your night. See it there? You get the line now, right? That is it. Hey.
Yeah, nice to see you. Mikey, what happened yesterday?
In a Lamborghini.
Hey.
Sister Junie.
Let me and take it. This is the Lamborghini.
We're gonna go over there. Over here. Come, Dee, we're gonna go over here. Alright, sister.
Guys, I didn't even tell you the Lamborghini.
We're gonna meet Keegan.
Yesterday we were
So guys, so this is the Trenchtown Multi-Purpose Center
at the bar.
here in Jamaica. Trenchtown Multi-Purpose Center. Here is where Esther mom also keep her church as well to here. She better. You, but they're outside, that's all. Where? Oh, come on. We have one of the melodies there here as well. Where's Shana? Big up. Manners generally, manners. D there and our next friend. Finally meet D.
Oh, see. I'm sitting in a no, she don't remember.
That is it. Yeah, nice to meet you.
And that's a theme garden it was in. This is the Garden of Eden.
Oh.
This is him.
Oh, this is him.
Yes.
His garden is so clean and nice.
Yes, so this is him. No. We have Shana out to share video as well. Sarah come.
Check the monkeys are here.
Who is it here? Sidela?
No, I see that. See that. I read Stefan.
Oh, Stefan and Marley.
Yeah, she has some.
But they're here in Jamaica.
No.
Stephanie Marley. This is Keegan.
No, I'm looking at your eyebrows. Really nice.
Hey. So.
Soft hands.
Yeah. Wow. All right. That's what it is.
That's how she eats. Yeah.
No, I see I climb wall and pick mango.
Yeah. They don't climb you. Yeah, I was picking mangoes and I was climbing the tree.
We're gonna show you his yard, the garden of yes, Garden of Eden. You know, I'm gonna say Garden of Keegan.
Boy, I know about it.
Yeah, man, we can't give them some more. Right, yeah, there's somebody else look at
Yes. Same size Stephanie Marley.
Yeah, network girls.
Okay.
So they still can't walk to it?
But if you're busy, we'll see you later. We just walk in and
No, come back.
Unaona kazi yake kurembesha juu.
Hapa ni kwake garden.
Welcome to the Garden of Eden.
Okay.
Eden. I should say Keegan.
Garden of Eden. Garden of Eden.
This is where he lives. This is his place.
the yard. Clean, clean, clean. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Bell. Yeah, it's on this side is his place. This is like the other side. Guava. Hey, there's one there. So one here. You ready? You know if it's ready? So you're gonna eat that with salt as well?
No, this one I'll try. I'll see if it's ready.
Hey, that look like it's not ready yet. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's ready.
Hey, sweet? Wow. Wow. She got one, it's ready.
It's progress. And
It's
before
ready.
you realize it's a big community.
Ready. Some more mango, you want to try this one?
We used to eat like this.
What, like this? This small?
Yeah.
Wow. You that wow?
Yeah.
This is how they eat it, she said, used to when she was younger. This small.
Small.
Yeah. With salt. Mango tree in Kenya? Hey.
Yeah.
Can't have no mangoes on it. No mangoes. None at all. She pick it. Yeah. She said sweet.
It was ready.
It was ready.
She said
Yeah, actually, you know what? People normally eat these
tuna.
tuna. Even in the market, it's not tuna fish. Yeah, but people eat this. I wonder. I've never tried. Let me know if you eat this. And drink it. Is it bitter?
No, not that one. It's the aloe vera that's bitter.
Okay, it's actually, I thought this is aloe vera.
No, this is
Aloe vera is
tuna.
small.
This is aloe vera here.
Come and see the difference. Yeah.
This is aloe vera.
Right here.
No,
Hey,
I
my
thought
mom
it's
loves
cactus,
this.
sorry.
Cactus?
Yeah. Even me.
Stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the one in the desert.
Hey, when I see this, I see my mom. She loves this.
Yeah, but this is good.
She boils it and drinks it. It's so bitter.
And she likes to give the chicken.
Yeah, and also giving the chicken.
Yeah, the bitter, the yellow part.
I'm talking.
Ah, go on.
Alright, but I'm going to buy.
Meet Sean Awa.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, what? Good.
There. This is Arthur Ellis' grandson.
Okay, nice to meet you.
You know, Ellis family. His mom is a big singer too.
Okay.
You know, that is the thing. A UK link up, you know.
You're going back to UK when?
Oh, on the Satan.
Oh,
Okay, well, soon.
Later, we soon know the thing. Go. That is
Yeah.
it. We
No one
soon
know when he's leaving.
That is it.
They'll just realize it's not there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is air.
Yeah. He's there when you see him. When
Yeah.
you don't see him, he's not there.
He's not there.
England. They have a place.
You want to get water somewhere.
What? Oh, Papi, come, go to the shop, get water.
Somebody hide from the sun, man.
Bad. This one is bad. That's why I'm come out, you know. Come out in tall sleeve. Hey, say, on the list. Ah, cool now. Big up now. Big up.
Subscribe to the channel, you know.
Yeah. Big up, man. Big up.
Thank you so much.
Oh, Shawa.
Sean Arrow, yeah.
Sean Awa. And same follow you as well. Jungles?
From Shachak with the fish, man.
Oh. Okay.
Jamaican food.
Yeah. Cool now. About jungle one going in a minute, you know.
Three from father.
Alright, cool. Him said know you from you trying to cook that fish.
Okay, I'm gonna cook another one.
Hey.
I don't know why I didn't have some of and I put in the fish.
And she talk about kino torture, right?
I was
I
like-
never taught you that way.
Him never teach you that way.
What?
When you was cooking the fish.
In the fish, you make the soup for the fish. You say you're a big thing. You say no, you just make it cook and you put the fish in it same way.
Hey, when I first came here to our memories, then I took a picture here. I started
Wow.
somebody was singing. Then it walked
And
away.
This is the mentality.
One teacher,
There, man.
my boss. One crocodile nation.
One crocodile nation. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Hi, General.
I'm gonna get a video, one long time video, I don't know.
Good.
I miss it then.
You don't get a seat, come on to put them in a car, you know. I'm a whole party of Bonnie and them,
Yeah.
Don't tell me your name.
I go to so we have Sean Awa from Kenya.
Welcome from Kenya. What language they speak?
Thank you.
Jumbo.
Thank you so much.
Live now, all the while out.
Yeah,
You come out here, but I don't, but I just see you now.
Now you see me live.
Live.
How do I look on video and in real life? I look the same?
You look
I look cool. Alright then. Thank you so much. That's it.
Yeah, just to come and see you now.
You know now.
For me,
Hey.
Third Street, I live still, you know.
Oh, Third Street?
Yeah, and my street.
Yeah, but I never fail.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm always here every day. That is it, and thanks so much.
Yeah, look at.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I know.
Yeah.
What's your from Kenya?
Kenya,
Yeah.
yeah. That is it.
Yeah, big her up.
Thank you.
I'm saying I got big you up. I'm see what I'm going to say now. Oh, you have the Swahili language, yeah?
Yeah, my book.
Yeah, book. So these drawing for the Swahili book right now.
Yeah, that is
man, that's
it. Hey, that is it.
So one day me I go meet you still, you know.
And finally we have met.
Different thing. One of the things I'm
You know, you're the best.
And there's roots.
Barry
If your husband ain't moving too strong or too long in bed, you got the roots for that.
There's a root for that?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
All
Take
night.
it all night. He's got all night roots. So if it's coming too quick, you want the all night roots.
It's a stamina route, yeah.
So you've written down the what?
Swahili.
Look at my find out if you're maybe in the other book. What do you mean? When we study language, like we are Muslim, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Oh, you're Muslim? No, but you speak many languages.
Yeah.
He speaks Swahili, but it's on books.
If your husband comes quick,
But it's vice versa, yeah? It's for the ladies as well. For the ladies. Okay.
If you get tired, roots. That is it. In
More
Jamaica, no problem.
More stamina.
Stamina, the best plantain ever. You drink this.
When I say don't worry,
That is it.
I
Yes.
just say a while ago, don't worry.
yes, kuna matata. Don't worry.
That is it.
Yeah.
That's molasses.
That's molasses. Molasses, they replace sugar. Instead of sugar, you use the molasses.
Okay.
It's kind of like considered like
They're
burnt.
bitter?
No, sweet. First one is small bottle. I'll let you taste it. First bottle is from sugar cane.
Take up another bottle there.
First one of the bottle.
Roots?
The black
Roots?
bottle. No, the black.
Oh, the
Then
black
I
one.
forgot the big one. The first one I cut now. Yeah.
Molasses.
Hold it on like this. Then we'll taste.
Put it on the left because the right and click so many.
Hello?
And we put near coffee.
Oh, I should have
Alright, come along to the shop.
That is
Give me a
it.
minute.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, that's the one.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Wow.
Yeah, she know molasses, isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
And just lick it up.
Yeah, that's
Molasses.
It's from cane. You're going to like it.
Sugar cane. It's cane.
It's a burnt sugar cane.
Wow.
Yeah, you use it instead of sugar.
So good.
It's called molasses.
Why do you calm your nerves?
Okay, to calm your nerves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your nerves are nerves.
Ni kama sukari nguru.
So like the roots now.
It's sukari nguru.
Leading there.
Yeah.
No.
Wow, that's nice.
They have like the roots. I like one to the eyesight.
Okay.
I want to stick with them in the conscience. Yeah.
See?
Stiff with no conscience.
Name stiff hood.
Okay, seafood.
No
Yeah.
conscience.
That's good, you know.
Hood.
See no one. See, take out the buckle right there.
No, the
Take out
tea.
the buckle. See that front. See back that front, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
The breeding one there.
Well, which one you want?
The breeding one.
A breeding one.
Stiff with no conscience.
You drink that, you breathe quick and fast.
Carry that.
If you drink that, it's like this.
Oh,
All night.
All night.
you use it.
I don't need it.
You use
No,
it.
I don't need it. I got that stamina already. So I go.
You need more.
It might be extra boost.
Yeah,
Yeah.
extra boost.
It's gonna be like this.
Yeah, extra boost. Use it.
No man, you keep it for your husband.
My husband is Nigerian.
Eh?
Very strong.
But that will make him pass strong.
Yes.
Eat your banana and dark cocoa.
Yeah.
Your husband.
Eh? China.
Eat your banana and dark cocoa.
Chop banana and dark cocoa?
Plant cocoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I chop banana.
Plant cocoa.
Oh, plantain is blanc cocoa.
No.
Hey, look at that.
See that? That's the energy.
That's the energy.
Look at that. That's the blood flowing.
Whoa.
That is the blood flowing.
Yeah, man, I want to, man.
Which one? That the same one that?
Which one? The one that's up?
No, they're behind the back leg.
No, that's the one of mucus cleanser.
Oh.
Yeah,
Mucus?
cold. Yeah, the cold.
If you have a cold,
Yeah, balance.
be had a cold.
What I love.
What cold?
Let's go.
Okay.
What's cold?
Close.
The moringa.
Oh, the merengue.
Oh,
You know the merengue?
yeah.
Merengue.
She know the Marine.
Yeah.
Marine dying about we call it Marine.
Oh, chef, say one the breeding one, right?
We just tell her to do one.
You want the
boil up.
the one we can
Want to just
breed.
show you all of a boil up? Yeah. I check a boil up, see me, you check. Yeah, man, I'm about more to boil up, so. Yeah, man, how much a cup?
Cup 5 minutes.
Oh.
Oh, chef, if you drink it now, you have to go work
No,
now.
look a bit of money that man, auntie man.
Because guess what? You only give woman 10 grand to 10, 15 minutes. I bet they give her the 10 grand and more. That time she give her the money and say, nobody want to go no further. She don't give her the money.
So, come, we're going to meet them.
Oh.
We're going to meet
Hey,
them.
when I see this car, I see my mom.
Hey, Ban.
Greeting. I see my mom.
Don't you?
That is
But guys,
this.
I'm back on 3rd Street. I know I've got a guest.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe the
How you doing? I'm good, man.
Oh my God, you remind me so much of my son.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you can take me as your son.
Slave and
You
everything.
can take me as your son
Oh,
then.
there we go.
There we go. It's all signed. Blessings, General. Big up, man. Big up, big up, big up. Much love, much love. Much love.
Hello, greeting. You good?
Yes. There we go.
Mother
Oh my
Teresa.
gosh. So I don't remember what the lady's name is. So, auntie, give me my phone. Oh, my auntie here.
Oh, your auntie is here.
And of my husband married.
Oh, husband. Big up, big up.
So I can't remember hold it up. I can't remember what her name is. So I took a picture. This lady.
Oh, Miss Dasa.
So I saw that she had the soul and feet.
Yeah.
So I got her a little pillow.
Okay.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Wow,
We know
chef.
everybody.
Everybody. So this
I
for Miss
got her
Dasa.
and the two blind
Brothers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 7 a piece for them.
Okay.
All right.
Which name? Which name you want me to use in the video? Who's it from?
Just Rose.
Rose.
Just say Rose. Yeah.
All right.
And I said happy birthday to you a couple years ago.
Oh, thank
yeah, and
you so
wrote
much.
back and you're like,
Yes,
thank you,
oh,
Rosemary.
Yes. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Rose.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that Dee is here. I didn't see you.
Just came just now.
Finally.
Yeah. Were you guys doing a video?
Good, loving it. Yeah.
Of course you do. Of
Yeah,
course.
we
Of
are
course.
really
You
loving
like it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry you couldn't get to bring the baby.
No, it's okay.
If I was going to be here longer, I would have invited you guys to Portland.
Wow, the best.
Yeah, but
the
I'm
best
only
place.
here for a week.
The best countryside.
Yeah. And we're right by Somerset Falls. You know where Somerset is? So we're just across there.
Okay,
so we
close.
have the nice, beautiful sea.
Yeah. Wow, and the
coast
fall,
over there.
everything.
Yeah, so the
Oh,
waterfall
wow.
in there. We not only came for a baby shower. I came for
Okay.
my house.
So you're gonna go back?
Yeah.
Oh,
My
too bad.
cousin is having twin girls.
Okay. Twin.
We had like a big blowout this weekend at my house. Wow.
Twin.
Yeah.
What a blessing.
Twinning.
I know. And
That
they're
is
so
it.
young. She just graduated from college.
Mm-hmm.
And and then she got pregnant. So this what I was over there busy during over the weekend. Where's the baby shower?
So twin that is complete, no more.
2 girls. So I don't know.
No more. No more. That is a twin?
That's it.
No, the thing.
The thing.
So see, I was practicing my walk like this. I was like, I'm walking into the baby shower.
Hey.
And I told my cousin, I said, this like that I follow, and that's what I did. I'm walking into the baby shower.
Come on, I second half.
That's it. I did this all by myself.
Wow, it's so creative. Yeah, nice. Wow. When are they getting married so we come for the wedding?
Well, I was hoping that my cousin was gonna propose, but he didn't. I was like, what is wrong with
Didn't like
you?
it.
Oh, Jean?
No, right. But so hopefully soon after the baby. So you guys are we're going back to Portland now. So my husband leaves tomorrow.
Okay.
Friday? Okay. But I don't go back to work until Monday. So
where are you based?
I'm in Chicago, but I work soon come. Yes, come. Now Chicago is cold. Like right now the weather is kind of getting nice, but it stays really cold. But Florida is just like here.
Nice. Florida is nice like Jamaica.
Yeah, you get everything there like you do here.
Yeah. All the resorts and everything.
But Chicago is so cold. So I usually come home for Christmas.
Is there a pen in your bag? Oh, a pen? You create a pen in your bag? Right, it's from Rose. So Miss Dassa.
But you'll remember.
What the guy's name?
The Blind Brothers.
Oh, right,
The Blind Brothers, 7 each.
So you're busy, D?
Yeah, just strolling through, you know, working.
Yeah.
Everything, enjoying the breeze.
Of course.
Yeah, you can't just sit in the house.
Right, exactly.
Nice to meet you. I'm so happy.
Leave them in the shop.
Alright, you know, so we're heading back to Portland. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got to meet you finally.
Finally.
Alright, guys. Good evening and welcome to
Just rest them in the shop.
Alright, guys, bye.
And thanks for the love and support.
Welcome.
Yeah, keep walking the distance.
Oh, okay. Alright,
yeah, man, take care. Uncle,
Take care, yeah.
big up, yeah? Yeah, man, respect.
Right, Tina?
Alright, take care.
Leave me alone.
Ron Ross.
Come and see me. I'm telling you, slowly by slowly, my mother will be here, my father, everybody.
Ron Ross.
Yeah, Jamaica is my heart. Everything.
Wait a sec, put on the list. Okay. Take the picture there.
He wants to go to
Turn it round.
I love fashion. We headed to Culture Yard.
Yes.
The first day that I came here, Kino brought me here. So today we're just taking Sean there so that she can know Wagwan.
Yes.
And this, actually, Kino, when you go to Africa, one of the countries I would recommend is Ghana and Nigeria. Actually, Ghana, you'll find, because I've been to Ghana
The star,
already,
the black star,
Black
right?
Star, you'll find a lot of similarities, you know? Like this is just the Ghanaian flag, the way you see it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Just always remember Jamaica
And Africa,
it's like the same.
one thing.
Stone man!
Yeah.
Aisha Aish.
Culture, yeah, let's go.
Yes.
What is the entry fee? When I came here, I don't know how much I paid. But me, I don't think I want to go inside again because I already did a video. How much is it going inside?
Well, forget that tour. I don't remember the price.
Let Sean come.
Yeah, make Sean can have.
Yeah, that is
Stone
it.
man.
Legacies, Trenchtown. If you ever come to Jamaica, guys, if you miss to come here, you've not been to Trenchtown. This is actually, it's very touristy. People come from far and wide. to have a tour of the culture yard. So when you come to Jamaica, don't miss to check it out. Maybe you can link up with Kino, then he can bring you here.
Of course.
If he will be around.
If
yeah,
I'll be around.
because he'll soon start traveling.
Exactly. Why not? If I will be around, so you know the thing, so start booking the thing from now.
And actually, guys, if you come to Jamaica and you wish to meet us, we have a package going on. We can take you around, have a good time. We can cook by the riverside and everything. Just let us know. Kino's number is here.
Say it. 793
793
3921.
3921.
So you will see the number running across the screen.
That is it for bookings, guys, and we'll take you around. Even if you want to come here, we'll bring you.
Meet the Empress from Kenya.
Blessed fire. That's it. Thank you so much.
We'll bring her come here already, and we have another Empress here with the first time here. Where is she?
Right there.
I think she stopped by the library. So
what about this? What do you use it for?
Smoking
herbs.
Smoking herbs?
Water is inside.
Oh, water is inside? Okay. Oh, there's water inside.
Cool it down.
Cool it down. That is it.
Ferdy is tell her what you are in.
Property manager.
He's the property manager for India.
Yeah.
You know, and we have Stone Man. Always can talk to you about the stone.
Blessed fire.
So you know, I don't want to give them a bring shows.
Yeah, man, they don't know you can do that, man.
So what am I to charge me? And I key on this. The last time them do that. Yeah, I'm gonna look for you.
Yeah, last time we did that.
I'm gonna look for you. So
okay, take us around.
Yes.
This one is missing out.
Where's Shana?
She's going to my library with you, like she's going to tour the library.
Get her and come. Bless her, bless her. Oh, go on.
I remember you gave me the tour.
One Trenchtown. Yeah. Till I get at work? Alright. Just get at work. She's working 9 till 5. 9 to 5. We wanted a Kenyan in the place, you know. We wanted an African in the place. All the way from Africa. Welcome, General.
Very good person.
Okay.
Yeah, he's saying very good friend, the best of Trenchtown.
Sure.
Yeah, that is it. He's doing
the good work.
He's the best.
Yeah, so you have to give thanks, huh?
Yeah, I really appreciate.
Of course.
Yeah.
We're females, that's where I part as well, huh?
Yes.
That is it.
That's why we need to get more strength.
Yeah.
And continue to carry on.
Yeah, keep supporting him, you know, moral support. Good job. Yeah, that's all he needs to keep moving. Because honestly, what he's doing is really hard. Not everybody can do that, you know? So just giving him the moral support, that's really good.
Okay.
Also enlightening.
That is it.
Yeah, what you them can do.
Shana.
Yeah.
They feel like everyone is the worst, but listen and give thanks, huh?
That is it.
Welcome again.
Thank
These are my friends as well.
Ferdy.
Wow, shit. Now I brought my
See you next one here. Shana. Africa them come from, you know. Yeah, and another one as well too. Them look alike? Him say you and Shana look alike. He might boom you.
Yeah, that's it.
Shana, come here. Come. Where to see her here? This is Sarah here from Kenya. Her name is Shana. This is Ferdy, property manager. He's the property.
I love the car. Not much, sister, not much.
She's practicing the patois, you know?
Yeah.
Of course.
Always glad to have a sister and brethren them from so far.
Yeah, we also appreciate Jamaicans love us so much, and I kind of feel like we are home.
Have you been to Africa?
Never leave Jamaica yet.
Never leave Jamaica.
Soon, never know what.
Soon.
Shake it, man, shake it, shake it. Shake it, dear. Dee, your turn, Dee. Come on, Dee. Go finish video now. Them done now. Yeah, so them done, them walk up on the music. Alright, then later. Yeah. Later. Can I touch you? Yeah.
Trenchtown vibes.
They're just quiet. They're not even dancing.
Aki, they're so boring. No. What? Just walking like this.
Oh.
People are mad. No, we're not mad. Yeah, everybody go be like, we used to it, we're not mad.
My step in that.
See, yeah, we used to it. Yeah, we're passing music and come.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're not mad. I'm mad people that want dance. And be like,
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.